student some more numericals regarding the stoichiometry. This is the topic which we deal earlier. Like here, find number of carbon atoms in 1 gram carbon. Okay. In 1 gram carbon. Now, if such questions are given, then how to solve it? Student, number of entities. What is the formula to find number of atoms or molecules? Number of atoms or molecules. Molecules is equal to what? Avogadro number N0 multiplied by number of mole. Isn't it? So, we can convert 1 gram carbon into number of mole and then we can multiply it by Avogadro number. So, we will get the answer. Isn't it? So, number of mole. How to find number of mole? Number of mole is equal to WB, that is weight, upon MB, that is molar mass or atomic mass. What is the WB? That is weight given. The given weight is 1 gram. So write here what? 1 gram divided by molar mass or atomic mass of what? Carbon, which is what? 12 gram. 12. So 1 gram, 1 upon 12. This is what? 1 upon 12 is number of moles. Getting? Now to find number of atoms of carbon, it is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Okay, multiplied by 1 upon 12. So when you will solve the question, you will find number of carbon atoms. Is it clear? So this is the simple conventional method to find the number of any of the entities. Are you getting? Like here, second question is, what will be the weight of 1 atom of carbon? What will be weight of 1 atom of carbon? Are you getting? Again we can apply the same formula. Say number of moles is equal to weight given, weight divided by what? Molar mass. But here what we have to find? We have to find the weight of carbon. Getting in 1, that is in of 1 atom. Of what? 1 atom. So what? Weight is equal to number of mole multiplied by molar mass. So again what we have to find? Again we have to find the number of moles. And how to find number of moles? So number of mole, to find number of mole we have to use weight upon that one. So can we use this formula here? Okay, we cannot use this formula here. Okay, but we can go to another more simpler method. Okay, otherwise it will become different. So the what could be the more simpler method? It could be 1 mole, okay, is equal to 12 gram carbon. Okay, is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23 atoms of carbon. Atoms of carbon. Isn't it? That is, again we can go there, 6.022 into 10 to power 23 atoms, okay, have weight, how many gram? 12 gram. Here we have to find weight now. So 12 gram. So 1 atom, okay, will have weight what? 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Okay, and here there will be the weight. So, okay, again, one atom of carbon. So here you can get the value. If you solve the question, you will get the answer. This is the more simpler and conventional method. So this will be your answer. When you will solve the question, you will get the answer. Okay. One more question is there. Find molality of 3M NaCl solution if its density is 1.25 gram per ml. Getting? Now what we have to find? We have to find what? Molality. Remember, here I am using the term L, molality. Molality is denoted by what? Small m. Small m is equal to Wb divided by molar mass multiplied by 1000 in gram divided by Wa. Okay, you do write here what is Wa? Weight of solvent. What is it? Weight of solvent. Now solution consists solute and solvent. And what is Wb? This is a weight of B stand for solute. Getting? So weight of solute. So student, in the question whether the Wb is given parently, Wb is not given parently, that is directly. In the question we are unable to find its weight, but we can find by 3m, the value which is given 3m, that is 3 molar, that is 3 molarity. Okay, so 3 molar NaCl means what? 1 mole means its atomic mass, means 3 moles of NaCl. 3 mole of NaCl. Now here we can get 3 mole of NaCl is equal to 3 into 1 mole NaCl is equal to 58.5. So it is equal to 3 5 ja 15, 3 8 ja 24 and 1 25 and 3 5 ja 15 and 1 75. So here we can get what? Weight of solute. Weight of solute. Getting? Now how to find weight of solvent?